Hey, welcome all. Figured I'd make a video on this because I couldn't find anything, and if you ever had to remove this when you're doing a clutch quadrant cable swap, well, I invented a few really gnarly cuss words and threw some tools around. I could not get this thing out, so I figured I'd give you a little hint of how I did it. Now, I did it with the dash out, but if you're laying on your back, you can probably figure this out. But obviously this piece right here, pretty easy. Pull the pin out, get rid of the spring, pull that shit off to the side. This one's just a little bit more difficult. I tried for a while. Anyways, so the first thing I can tell you is get rid of the spring. You'll see where it clips underneath the metal on this little one right here. You can get that off with a little screwdriver, just get it around the metal. And then the top piece, which is attached into the top here, I don't know if you can see that, there's a little hole right here. You can pull that out. I used these are really long, so I was able to get up in there and just really crank on it and pull this piece out. So once I had that out, it was just this piece. Now, if you know, you can rotate this thing around, you can do whatever you can do, but it hits the little piece of metal on the firewall, and there's no way to get it over the stem there. So what you'll notice is if you can get this thing rotated around, it would clear that. But the problem is that this top piece is stuck on the metal, as you can see here. Kind of ate at it a little bit. Anyways, it gets a little stuck on the lip there. So I took a tool, like a screwdriver, and I placed it on the bottom here, smacked it with a hammer a couple times, and got it past that lip. Once it was past that lip, I was able to rotate it and slip it over the top of that piece of metal. So I don't know if that helps, but that's how I did it. So hope you're able to figure it out and not cuss as much as I did and throw as many tools as I did. So good luck.